Welcome to Tools Insider, your ultimate destination for everything related to tools and equipment. Are you looking for the best furniture wax? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose furniture wax with different prices, benefits, and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right furniture wax. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Renaissance Polish. Over the years, Renaissance polish has been used by restoration professionals to preserve museum exhibits. But, as technology is advancing, it's becoming more popular in many households. This formula doesn't become acidic with time, which is why most restorers prefer it. Also, it doesn't obstruct the chemistry of the materials applied to it. Not only that, this wax won't lose its color to the item underneath. With Renaissance Polish, rest assured of your wood's finest, natural details. You can use it on any finish, and it will manifest the silkiest of sheen, even on a hardwood. Key features. Gives your home the museum-like quality. It doesn't become acidic with aging. This wax does not lose its color to the items beneath. It can be used as a sealer in hardwoods. Number 2. Daddy Vans. This is a natural wood wax that protects, revitalizes, and renews your finished woodworks. This wax is government approved and certified by the USDA, making it safe for home use. And because it's naturally obtained, this wood furniture wax incorporates no chemicals during the manufacturing process. When you apply unscented beeswax to your wood, you're assured of durability. Besides nourishing the wood, this wax will give your home a natural appearance while protecting wooden surfaces for years. The best part? It leaves behind a fresh, healthy, glossy look on the finished work. Key features. Offers protection to all wood types. It's naturally acquired and includes no chemicals during processing. Gives your wood a rich, deep glow. Number 3. Howard CS0014 Paste. Howard Paste is also one of the best wood wax you need to consider. It takes pride in its multi-use paste wax and durability. Also, it incorporates real Brazilian carnauba, the hardest natural wood wax. If your preference is to give your wood surfaces the lasting protection, Howard Paste is a go-to formula. In addition to the lasting protection, Howard Paste comes with UV protection that's great for the most fragile antique furniture. It has no traces of toluene, silicone, and linseed oil, making it favorable for worn, dried woodwork. It comes in various colors, so you can choose one that blends well with your wood surface. The carnauba wax also promotes the waterproofing effect by creating a barrier between the wood and the wax. Key features of this wood wax for furniture. It promotes the color and the natural aesthetic of the wood grain on both finished and unfinished surfaces. It exhibits an elegant, lasting glow. It has the Brazilian carnauba wax, which is the hardest wood wax. It contains UV protection. This formula is ideal for surfaces such as metal, marble, and concrete. Number 4. Beeswax Furniture Polish. Beeswax furniture polish is another formula that's naturally obtained. It's highly effective when used to restore wood antiques to their physical structure. Also, it rejuvenates both finished and unfinished wood surfaces when soaked in it. You don't have to fret about your wood getting damaged by water or the sun because this formula contains beeswax, carnauba wax, and orange oil that penetrates naturally through the pores. Also, these ingredients are eco-friendly, thus safe for your household. The best part? It will prevent all your furniture from drying up. Besides wood restoration, this formula works perfectly well, even on new woodwork. Many woodworkers are using it to promote a professional gleam onto craftsmanship. What's more, it's a natural alternative to chemical finishes like varnish. Key features. Beeswax furniture is very effective with wood antiques. It's a natural alternative to chemical finishes. It's a multi-use wood wax. This formula penetrates naturally through the wood. It incorporates natural cleaning agents like orange oil. The best wax for wood table. Number 5. Briwax Wax. Initially, this was among the first brands to process wood wax industrially, so this is a go-to company for reliability. This formula incorporates both carnauba and beeswax that is great for any woodwork. Also, it's highly effective when it comes to restoring antique furniture. Applying this product is dead simple. Use cotton wool to effect the process. Soon after application, use a damp cloth to wipe off the surface. Meanwhile, repeat the process for the second time to give the wood surface a glossy look. If your wooden furniture has some cracks or scratches, this formula will come in handy to help you hide them. And because it's a multi-use formula, you can use it to clean and polish all the woodwork in your household. Key features. This formula is ideal for furniture restoration. You can use it for multiple purposes such as reconditioning, finishing, and waxing. It enhances the finishing process while preventing oils and salts from harming the polished surface. It's highly effective when it comes to hiding defects such as scratches and cracks. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comments below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.